The Mohammedan today you are doing grocery outlet. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, now we're gonna have some breakfast. Tea here, chai is here, masala chai. Okay. Dear Garbage for the current Pimajune Kulan de Roman or Yerum Bochila Chipambo Tachaji, no Tashojaji sa, in San Francisco large and draw. Any board large and doing, board can damage that I doing. All right. Good morning from San Francisco. It's a reto. Yeah, now we just had a breakfast. Now we are going to San Francisco City. So we are going to take the this train. They're called here bar something. Yeah, so we're gonna check the bus from this station. Then we're gonna get off by the Powell Street in San Francisco. All right, we'll see you there, guys. Stay tuned. They have the very different one than the New York City. Current value $10. Yeah, that's good. I think that's it. Let me see, do this in case. Okay, this is how I do. Now I'm gonna scan it here. Whoa, it's open the gate. Now they're gonna close. See? All right. Yeah, now we're gonna take the stairs from here. The very. Oh, listen here. Let's go. Yeah, this is a California Esardo Plaza area. A lot of houses here in the mountain. Civic centers. Nice job. Civic Center. Oh. So we get off here. Now we are going to City Hall.
The doors are closing.
California subway station. This is how it looks. It's really nice and a clean escalator. Really nice, super nice. I really love it. Compared to the New York City, you know, here is the less people. I can clearly see it, and of course it's gonna be more clean, you know. So we have to, looks like we have to serve here when we get off here. Yeah, now I help. Oh, I just get off the subway. Subways are pretty much empty, you know, compared to the New York City. Maybe you know it though. All right, now let me figure out which way is the City Hall. Excuse me, where is the City Hall? Do you know? Yeah. City Hall?
From a 3 blocks.
This way?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. The guy I met here, I asked to one guy, he said City Hall is that way, 3 blocks away. Okay, hello guys. Yeah, this is San Francisco City Hall. Which is that? That is City Hall. I heard this is the federal office Ah, looks amazing. White and clear and a good space. Very nice space. Wow, amazing. City Hall. The coffee shop here is very nice. Yeah, we might gonna have a coffee here. Yeah, City Hall. Wow, good. 다 디 샌프란시스코 기 시티 홀에 시티 홀 땅 페더럴 오피스. 다 시티 홀 다 왜냐면 다 디레 샌프란시스코. I'm not very familiar with the San Francisco, so I just follow the maps, you know, check the path and Ubers and work. So that's what I will gonna do it. All right guys, stay tuned. Really nice here, a lot of space, you know, not much people, not crowded. Nice. Oh, City Hall. This is a City Hall. Yeah, this is how it looks. Oh, there's a lot of people around here. Oh, that's the market student yard here. Market student yard. Like UNESCO Square. Now I'm on the way to the Union Square. So this is the Market Street. I'm looking for the Starbucks, so we didn't find the Starbucks yet. Okay, the streets are clean. Streets are good here. Yeah, this is a bus or train. What do you call, sir? This is a bus or train? What do you call this one? Bus or train? Bus. Bus. Eh? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. San Francisco City transferring the train. Ah, yeah, this is a bus. That train in a bus in a Kansas South and don't deal. Karuna in a Paji, they called train lines. Yeah, a lot of lines here for the Powell's, the train for that. Yeah, I don't know, we're gonna check that or not. A lot of lines here. Maybe it's gonna take like 1 hour. 你好，你好，这个很好啊。这个是什么？这个是很好。这个辅助对不对？这个辅助哦，对对，这个很好，这个很好。这个是佛的对不对？佛。对啊。不是吗？对啊，对。你是佛教吗？我是佛教啊。是啊，我也得。对对，你知道西藏吗？ 你知道对不对啊？哦，这个是阿弥陀佛，对不对？阿弥陀佛用的，很好很好，这个是哦 ，OK， 这个很好，我喜欢这个，这个多少钱呀？30块。30块呀？啊，30块，30块，好好。好，我去喝咖啡，然后来这看，好不好？谢谢你啊。Starbucks coffee nearby me. We find a Starbucks coffee here finally. Let's go to inside. Let's go inside. Oh, okay. Bar. put the car. Thank you. Have a good one. Now we're gonna take a break here a little bit. Having coffee. Excuse me, ma'am. Chinatown this way?
What?
Where's Chinatown? Chinatown. Yeah.
I have no clue.
Oh, you don't know Chinatown. Dior store here, Fendi is over there, and a North Face. North Face store. So, okay. And the Banana Republic over there as well. San Francisco taxi cab, yellow taxi. This is how it looks like. The yellow taxi in San Francisco city. I think these are newspaper box. Newspaper box. This is the trash can. Trash can, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this is the Chinatown. Okay, finally I see here another Starbucks coffee. Very nice tables. Very nice restaurant, bar. Okay, now we are entering the Chinatown gate, I believe. Yeah. Hello, is this Chinatown right here?
All the way to Chinatown.
Okay, thank you so much. Big horse here. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow, very nice here. Very nice stop. Oh, Tunkgar. Wow. Very fancy tables here. Oh my god. Beautiful. Wow, this is the nice table. This is very expensive rock. Chinatown, yeah, very nice here. This area is very beautiful. Shopping, beautiful stores, nice store. Crocodile, wow.
Okay, no worries. Don't text her anything. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello, thank you so much.
Any video of me is $10.
That way the hills down, it's going up. Oh, how thing. Wow, I know. 你在哪里学的这个？
中华。
中华。这个带很久吗？可不可以教我啊？不可以。这么好听啊！
很小的了。
你做这个多久啊？
拉了几年了。
几年对不对？
几大年了呀。
I'm looking for the lens cover. You have a lens cover for that? Yeah. You have here? Perfect. Nice store.